Hey guys, so we're doing Vlogmas this year. I'm so excited to bring you guys along. What you should expect from me. You can expect deep clean and declutters, clean with me's, sometimes some vlogs. I plan on doing a couple tags. My decorate with me will be out during Vlogmas, hoping the first week of December. Maybe some Tay Talks. Would you guys like to hear about what I'm going to college for, how I'm preparing for college after being out of school for 8 years, 8.5 years, I'm showing my age here. If you have any suggestions or what you would like to see from me or me and the kids, please leave them in the comments down below. If you'd like to join our family, hit the red subscribe button right down there. I'm just ready for Vlogmas. I'm super prepared this year. Also follow me on Instagram. I don't post too much, but I post a little bit here and there. I usually try to let you guys know when I post a new video. I always have links down below to save you on some money, get you some cash back.